we learn how to training this machine. After your complaint received the machine, we first contact the O cable. This one is the O cable. Here is input power. Here the input power go to this channel. Here is input your factory the voltage is 3 plus the 120 voltage. Here is A, B, C, and then is this is output the voltage is 3 plus the 380 voltage. Here is A, B, C, and N. AB is this voltage. BC also is voltage. Is AC also is this voltage. And A and N is 1 plus the 220 voltage. B and N also is C and N also is 220 voltage. We first contact the input. This machine is contacted A, B, C, and N, and the PE is grounded the line PE. And this one you can see it is N. Here is N, and here is PE, and L1, L2, L3. Contact the translate. Okay. Then this line is the yellow cable contacted this is AR gas, and this red cable is contacted the air tank, contacted the air tank. Here's the line. And here, this cable is connected here. Also inside, also already connected. This cable is connected the C exercise motor. Must contact after you receive the machine. Must contact this cable. Okay. And here must inside the red wire you can according to use the 1.2 or 1.6 you contact here. Must the direction is go to here. Okay. Contact.